Hey, do you want to learn how to delete ChatGPT memory on mobile? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently on the right hand side, you can see a mobile, and whatever I will do here on my mobile is going to preview there. So you can check you can follow what I'm doing. So on the top left, you'll find these two horizontal lines. Click on that. Then on the bottom, you're going to find this user icon. Click on this. Then here, if you click on personalization, you will get inside this part where you need to click on memory on the top. Then click on that and click on manage memories. Now here, all your saved memories while you were chatting with ChatGPT, all the saved memories will be here. So you can either click here to delete all, or you can click on each of these. For example, I only have saved one memory here. So I can hold it, click and hold it. So press and hold it. And then you're going to find this remove icon over here. You can click on here to remove from the GPT's saved memories, and this cannot be undone. So let's say I remove this from here, and that's it. Our saved memory is now removed from our ChatGPT account. And that's it. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the left hand side, you're going to find more ChatGPT related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.